Hi, this is Sharon Stone, Debbie Clark with In Defense of Animals, Hope Animal Sanctuary. We want to give y'all a little tour of our sanctuary renovation where we're building new houses and a new operations center. Here we go. Straight ahead is the new operations center. That's where the office will be, a quarantine room, a cat room, and what we'll call the transport slab where we can bathe dogs and get them ready for transport going to rescue up north. These are the tiny houses. They're 12 feet wide by 24 feet long. Each one has its own fenced-in backyard. As you can see, the fence posts have been set. Those yards are 40 feet wide by 100 feet long. Each house can comfortably house 4 adult dogs. Some will have 4, some might have 2, just depending on the dogs. These houses will be heated and cooled. They're insulated just like your house and my house. So the dogs will have heat in the winter, cool in the summer. There'll be a covered front porch when we're done. There's a covered back porch. It's bigger than, that's a stoop, but the back porches are bigger. Be a ceiling fan on the back porch, a ceiling fan inside, so the pups can lay outside on the back porch if they want to, or they can stay inside if it's a really hot day, like sometimes it is in Mississippi. So we want to go inside of this house and let you just take a look and see what it's not finished yet. The electrical wire is pulled in. Heat and air will come from that side. This will be FRP panel from the floor to a chair rail, and then up will be wallboard painted. The backyards are huge. Notice these are custom doors. They came already with the doggy doors built in them. The backyards are huge, as you can see. You can barely see the post out there where the end of the yard will be. And then this is the back porch. This was a barn that was already on the property. David Clark is our contractor. He's doing a fantastic job. So we're remodeling the barn. You can see from one end to the other, see straight through. This will be a common area for the public. We have vaulted ceilings. We're going to have wood ceilings in here. This will be the office and the kitchen. It's a rather large area. We're really excited. Our medical room will be here for dogs, and that will be the quarantine room or the medical room. And this will be the transport room, which opens up to this slab where we can just pull our van up right here and load the dogs and won't have to worry about getting wet if it happens to be raining. Very, very excited. We're so grateful for your support. We thank you so much. Please stay with us for more updates. Thank you.